The minivan market may be shrinking, but Honda isn't backing down. The upcoming 2026 Honda Odyssey is set to redefine what a modern family vehicle should be. With a sleek redesign, a brand new hybrid powertrain, and cutting-edge technology, the Odyssey is no longer just a mom van, it's a smart, stylish, and eco-conscious ride built for families who demand more. The most anticipated change? A long-overdue hybrid powertrain. Honda pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with its dual-motor hybrid system to deliver an impressive 38 mpg combined. This makes the 2026 Odyssey one of the most fuel-efficient minivans on the market, without sacrificing the space, comfort, and reliability it's known for. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a cross-country road trip, this minivan will save you serious cash at the pump. Inside, the Odyssey raises the bar again. A new 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a massive 11.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto bring the tech experience in line with what today's families expect. Materials are upgraded throughout, offering a more premium feel, while Honda's clever touches, like magic slide seats and upgraded cabin watch, make everyday life just a bit easier. Safety also gets a boost. The 2026 model expands the Honda Sensing Suite with traffic jam assist, low-speed braking control, and a smoother, smarter adaptive cruise control system. These aren't just checkboxes for brochures, they're features that bring real peace of mind when you've got a car full of kids and a busy schedule. On the outside, the Odyssey now sports a sharper, more aerodynamic profile, complete with LED lighting and a redesigned front fascia that gives it a more upscale presence. It looks less like a box on wheels and more like a refined family shuttle with real personality. Expected to arrive in late 2025, the 2026 Honda Odyssey will likely be offered in multiple trims to meet a range of budgets, from the practical base model to the feature-loaded Elite trim. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, Honda aims to keep the Odyssey competitively positioned, offering tremendous value for families that prioritize safety, flexibility, and fuel savings. If you've been holding off on a minivan because of outdated stereotypes, the 2026 Odyssey might be the one to change your mind. With style, efficiency, and innovation packed into every inch, this isn't just a minivan, it's a mobile command center for modern family life.